Yo, Sam, I just wanted to walk through the Google Drive sync setup for you. I promise it's pretty painless. Mine's already installed, so once you download it, you're going to have to log in, and then it will walk you through some of these preferences questions. Like the first thing is stuff that's synced on your computer. I turn all that off because I don't want any of that synced. The main thing you want to look at is this second tab here, Google Drive. And it's going to take a second to load. Okay, so along with the rest of your Google Drive stuff, you'll see our Podcast Masters folder.
Hi, Sam.
Yeah, that's Nina. All you have to do is go through here and find, so whatever shows you're working on, you just go through, let's say almost 30. You select that folder and then also click on that folder and uncheck archived, because that's where all the old episodes are. That's what will fill up your computer hard drive real quick if you sync the archive by mistake. So just go in, check the shows that you're working on, and then uncheck archive, and just go down the list one at a time, and that's pretty much it. Then click OK. I would say I'd recommend doing this like towards the end of the evening, and then letting your computer sit overnight, because it will take a while to sync everything. If you're doing this for the first time, it'll probably take a good few hours to get everything synced. But that's it. Let me or Hayden know if you have any questions on that.
Bye, Sam.